You don't need more money to start investing. You need one decision. Last video, I told you your paycheck is a trap, that trading your time for money keeps you running in place. So what's the escape? It's not a bigger salary. It's your first $50. That's it. $50 can be the moment your money finally starts working for you instead of you working for it. Here's how. The move is dead simple. Open a brokerage account and buy an index fund. That's the whole secret. Not a hot stock tip, not crypto, not timing the market. An index fund. One basket that holds a piece of hundreds of companies at once. When the market grows, you grow with it. You don't need to be smart. You need to be consistent.
Here's why $50 matters more than $5,000. If you wait until you have a real amount to invest, you'll wait forever, because there's always a reason to put it off. But $50 today, invested every month, riding the market's long-term growth, time does the heavy lifting that a big lump sum never can. Starting small beats starting big later, every single time. So your assignment is tiny. This week, open an account. Put in $50. Buy one index fund. That's it. You're officially an investor. Not because you're rich, but because you started. Next video, I'll show you exactly which index fund and how to pick it without overthinking. Comment below. Is $50 the first step you've been waiting for?